Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Anis Tiawati. I am from the 6th semester of English Education Department. I will do final exam of extensive reading to summarize of English educational book, class 10 of senior high school. Introduction. The class 10 senior high school, the first semester copyright 2014 on the Ministry of Education and Culture, protected by state-owned laws and condition disclaimer. This book is a student book that the government prepared by the government's implementation of the 2013 curriculum. This student book is prepared and reviewed by various parties under condition of the Ministry of Education and Culture. English introduction. The story of 2013 is designed to shape the 21st century learning model. Curriculum 2013 realized the important role of the English language in copying the idea of exceeding the state limit of Indonesian and to absorb the idea of outside that can be used for the benefit of the nation and country. Table of contents. Chapter 1, talking about self. Chapter 2, complementing and soccer. Chapter 3, expressing intention. Chapter 4, congratulating others. Chapter 5, describing people. Next, learning objects. After studying this book, students are expected to able to the first use English in communicating about self-disclosure with teacher and friend. Second, demonstrate polite, caring, and confidence behavior in carrying out communication about self-disclosure. The third, identity, the carrying out communication about self-disclosure, text structure, and linguistic elements of the identity presentation text. Okay, the first chapter 1, talking about self. The example, an email from Hannah. Hello Alia, let me introduce myself. My name is Hannah. I know your name from my friend. She thought that you sent her email telling her that you would like to have more friend files from the US. I'd really like to be your file. You sound really cool. The better tell you something about myself first. Chapter 2, complimenting. What is compliment? Compliment is an expression to appreciate or praise to other people. Compliment is useful to give unsought agreement so that people will keep on doing their best and even improve their performance. When to express compliment on general occasion, when someone has done her best, when you visit someone's house for the first time, if you notice something new about someone's friends. Next, showing care. Read the dialogue carefully. Example, today Imran is not feeling well. He is staying at home. He has just received a sympathetic card through an email from his sister who lives far away in Singapore. The card say, sending young sunny smiles, warm wishes and healthy through. Hope today finds you feeling much better. Many of his friends also come to his house. Rama, you look so pale. I'm bringing you some soap. Pick you some tea and bake you some treats. Hope you recover soon. Imran, thanks a lot. Next, expressing intention. Read the following conversation. The turn with your friends doing the roles. Holiday plans. A long weekend is coming. Riri, Santi, and Bayu are talking about their plans. Riri, it will be a long weekend soon. Do you have any plans? Santi, I'm not sure. I don't have any idea yet. I think I might stay at home. The example about expressing attention. Okay, the next, congratulating others. Complete the following table with the expression of congratulation and the responses you find in the preceding reading text. The first row is done for the congratulating expression, response, congratulation. You deserve it, man. Thank you very much. This is because you are always with me. And congratulating people may make more than one move. For example, congratulations, you deserve that. This is about congratulations. Okay, next, describing people. Dinda is a good looking. She's not too tall, with fair skin and wavy black hair that she often puts in a ponytail. At school, she wears the uniform that she likes to wear jeans, casual t-shirts, and sneakers. Her favorite t-shirts are rose is a bright color like pink, light green, and orange. She is always cheerful. She is also very friendly and like to make friends with anyone. Like many other girls, she is also talkative. She likes to share her thoughts and feelings to her friends. I think that's why many friends enjoy her company. Okay, maybe that's for my reason about summarize to English books for 10 senior high school. Thank you very much. I apologize for our mistake. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.